Welcome back. I'd forgotten to turn my handle on and the GoPro battery died. Call it a amateur mistake or a guy that's very forgetful mistake. I'm back on. We're still on we're at the wetlands. We're on the snowmobile path. We're having a good time. We're just enjoying the calmness, even though it's really wet. I'm not sure if I'll even load this up. It says it's charging now, so I guess my handle has taken over. That was a shorter video, that last one. Last week when I did that, I did remember to turn the handle on, but this week I simply forgot. I plugged it in, but I didn't turn it on. Oh, looks like maybe I was this far last week. For some reason I remember that tree now. So I guess last week maybe I was that far when I walked out. But I never filmed it. I guess I had walked for almost an hour before I came back out to the trail because both videos were over 30 minutes. Looks like they didn't clean the trail up here as much as they have back a ways. Guess I'll keep going for a bit. Then I'll turn around, go back home. Got other things I gotta do today. Just nice to get out though. Well, they did come this way to widen the trail, but looks like it was pretty good already, so they didn't have to do much. They might have taken down some common buckthorn trees with the shredder, but those buckthorn trees come back so fast. Well, we're gonna find out how far this goes, I think. Just saw some scat on the ground. Probably a raccoon. I don't know, I look at these soft grounds areas. To me it looks like people purposely walk right through them. Looks like there's a curve coming up in the trail. There's a slow sign and then an arrow pointing to the left, my left. Well, that's my third mosquito bite. That one was right on the finger. Should have known. Well, it says there's a stop sign ahead. See what this is. Oh, it's really soft. Garbage. Looks like a place where people come out here and maybe enjoy themselves in nature. Well, there's a mailbox up here and I think it says maps on it. Telling you that I don't think there'll be any maps in it. They'll be long gone likely. But I'll check it out. No maps, but somebody lost a hat and it's waiting there for them. Conserving Ontario's Last Frontier. Ontario Federation of Snowmobile Clubs Environment Committee. Well, I guess I've gotten further than I ever have. This looks like I'm going to be coming back here when it's a little drier. Oh, soggy. Looks like there was a bathroom here at one time, but I guess maybe time and temptation were too much for people. But it's a lot wetter here. I see something in the distance. It almost looks like oh, maybe it's just the sky I'm looking at. First, I thought maybe it was a trailer. Huh. Well, I'm learning. I guess if I went this way, I'd come to the next concession, according to the sign. Yeah, it looks like a place people come and stop and have a break. There's somebody's snowmobile helmet. It's not doing too good. Probably been there a while. Well, I guess I'll turn around. I'm glad I kept going today, even though it was so soggy. Nice for somebody to lay these branches here so I could stay out of the water. I'm kind of disappointed how much garbage there is, but I can't blame anybody else because I'm not picking it up right now, am I? Well, I think that was 13 minutes. I think I'm going to end it there. And I'm going to make a fast walk out of here. The camera will be swinging, so there's no use doing any filming. The sooner I get back to my vehicle, the better. When my feet are this wet. But it was sure nice to make it this far and find out what was going on down here. I'll be back. I'm interested in continuing that trail, the one that headed towards Moncton. Stratford is back the way I came, and Milverton is kind of out of the way for me. So I hate to say goodbye, but thanks for being here, friends. Really appreciate it. Have a great, wonderful day. Keep looking up. God bless. Take care of yourselves. Get out and about. You don't have to go far, but I think you'll enjoy it. Take care.